Good afternoon everybody, this is Aaryan again in front of you all, and this time for the Google Drive certification. I study in St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School. I am from class 11th and I belong to group D in Whiz Juniors. So first of all I will discuss about my task. So the task which was given to me was to follow all the things mentioned in the task section to present the project in a very sophisticated manner in front of you all. So here's the project. So here is the Google Drive, and let's come through all the things which I need to do. Create a new folder named project. So here I will click on the new option, as you can see on the top left corner. Click on folder and name it project. So I have named it project and click on create. So as you can see, a new folder named project has been created. Next thing is to color code the project folder. So I will color it red by right clicking on the folder, and now on the change color section I will click the red color option. So as you can see, it has been colored red. Next thing was to upload a file from your computer onto your drive. So I will just, as you can see, I have made a file called project information. I will drag it into Google like this and just drop it over here in the project folder. So it will be uploaded here in the project folder. As you can see, it is over here. Now the next thing is to create one new Google Doc file and save it in the project folder. So to create a new Google Doc file, you need to press Shift and T on your keyboard. So as I press Shift and T, a new Google Doc file is a new tab opens with the docs.google.com. I will rename this as I will just write something over here, and as it saves I will close the tab. As you can see, all changes saved in Drive. So I will close the tab, and you can see an untitled document is over here. Now the next thing is to rename the file. So I will rename the file by right clicking on the folder and on the file and clicking on rename. So I can name it project information 2. So as you can see, and click on OK. Now it has been renamed. The next thing is to change the view to grid view. Now as you can see, here it is, the grid view option on the top right corner. I will click on it and it has been turned to grid view. Now the next thing is to display the activity window. So as I will click on the file, I will have to press D on my keyboard. So as I press D, the details drop down box has been introduced, and in that there's an activity section. So I will click it over here, and this is the activity section. Now upload a folder from your computer, star a file and check that file in starred folder. So I will upload any folder, such as, let's create a new folder. Like I create a new folder, and in that folder I just create a new text document. So this will be in my new folder which I have to upload. So I will drag it into Google and upload it over here. So as you can see, a new folder has been uploaded, and now I will star this file which was inside the folder. Now you just need to click on add star. So after you have starred the file, you can view it in the starred option. As you can see on the left menu, you have the starred option. You click on it and you can see the new text document which I have starred is available over here. The next thing is to download a file from your drive to your computer. So I will download this file by right clicking on it, and as you can see the download option, just click on it and it has been downloaded, as you can see over here. The next thing is to share that file with one of your friend and give her only comment permission. So I will right click on it and click on the share option, and here I will give her the permission to can comment, and I will write its email ID. So here the email ID has been suggested. I will click on it and click on send. So it has been shared. Now share another file with your friend and give her only view permission. So now I will go back to my drive, click on the click on select any file like this, right click on it, and I will share with one of my friends, and now I will give the permission to can view. Now like I share it with the suggested email over here and click on send. So now this person can only view my file because I have selected the can view criteria only. Now as you can see version history of a file. So to see version history of any file, you can click on the file, and on activity here you can see what all things have been done to the file since when it has been created. So these are all the activities and the history of this file. Now add Hindi language from settings. So to add Hindi language, you can click on the settings option in the top right corner, click on settings, and here you can see a language option. Click on change language settings, and now you can just click on the edit option and search for the language Hindi. So I will click on it and I will select. Now it has been updated. Now as you can see, everything is in Hindi. So everything has been turned to Hindi. Now as I will click back, as you can see Google photo, instead of starred you can see the Tarankit option over here. And now change the setting to convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. Now as I will click on settings, again on settings, as you can see this is the option. Oh, I beg your pardon, this is the option over here, and the second option, as you can see, upload की गई फाइलों को गूगल दस्तावेज संपादक फॉर्मेट में रूपांतरित करें, that is to save every file in Google Docs format. So this was my project, hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video.